strong.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this video came out of a long time frustration that every time I've bought a car, I've seen that all the lights in the car always have halogen bulbs. I'm not sure why they do it, but then I think they can just ask for a bit more bucks and then add LEDs to all these cars. The LEDs not just look great, but also they have better visibility. And I've seen that a lot of cars now in the top end variants have LED at least in their front headlight. So when I bought my Civic hatchback, I decided on the first day that I'm going to replace all the halogen bulbs with the LED bulbs. So this video is about what I call LEDification of my car. But the LEDs that I'm going to show over here are not just meant for Civic hatchback. You can use it for any of your sedan, crossovers, hatchback or car of any model. In this particular video, I have not shown the process of replacing each one of them. There are so many videos out there where people have shown how to replace your halogen bulbs. So without wasting any time, let's see what brands I selected and what difference it makes after replacing the halogen bulbs with LED. Now let's look at the brands and the type of LED bulbs that I've used for each replacement, and I'm going to discuss about the advantages of using these particular ones. So while selecting these LED lights, the top three features in my mind were first safety, ease of installation and brightness. So all these LED lights have very good heat dissipation and they are really easy to install. You don't need any extra resistors or extra wiring for installing any of these. You just have to plug out your halogen bulb and install these back in the same wiring and in the same plug. To start with, I replaced the stock high beam bulb with the C-Light LED bulbs. This is H9005 model with a brightness of about 1000 lumens. I replaced the main headlamp bulb with the Hikari LED light bulbs. These are also called as Eye of Megatron, and they are really bright. It has a brightness of about 12,000 lumens and this is H11 model. This has an internal fan system for heat dissipation, which makes them really safe. I replaced the fog lamps again with Hikari LED light bulbs, and this one is also from Eye of Megatron series, but it has a brightness of about 10,000 lumens. So the brightness difference between both of these Hikaris is about 2000 lumens, and I have used both of them for the main headlight lamp. But I realized that the ones with 12,000 lumens works really well. So I would recommend utilizing 12,000 lumens for the LED headlamp and 1000 lumens for your fog light. For me, choosing the LED lights for the indicators was very difficult task because a lot of them out there comes without the inbuilt resistors, for which you have to get the resistors and again connect them with your new LED bulbs. So make sure that whatever LED bulb you buy, they have built-in resistor. So I chose N-Page and both of them have inbuilt resistors, as you can see, and it also has heat sink cooling, which keeps them really safe. And these guys are really bright. I replaced the bulbs in my tail light with the LEDs from Sirius LED. So again, you don't need any resistors, and both the red and the reverse white light works just fine. All the Civic models also come with these orange side markers. So I replaced them with the smoke side markers and also replaced the stock halogen bulb inside them with the LED bulb, which comes with those smoke side markers. And I have made an entire video of it. Feel free to check it out. I'll post the link in the description. So with the external lights done, I replaced the halogen bulb inside the cabin and also in your boot with the Joachim small LED lights. So this comes in a package of about 12. So just make sure you buy all of them and you can keep extra for spares. So this entire LED bundle is gonna cost you around $230 or less, and I've posted all the links in the description, so feel free to check them out. So one thing to notice, that I have used this LED light for my Civic hatchback, but you can use these except the two side markers in any of the sedan. So don't worry that it won't fit your car. For all the money spent and all the additional efforts in replacing your stock halogen bulbs, these lights are totally worth it. Trust me guys, they not only make your car look cool, but also gives you more visibility during night drives. So I installed all these lights about 6 months ago and I've got no issues since then. There's no concerns with regards to safety and there has been no flickering, which is a major problem with the LED bulbs out there. So I hope you all love the video. If you have any better options or you guys have been using LED of different brand, please share with us in the comments. Let me know how you feel about this LED bundle and stay tuned for more such videos. Enjoy riding guys.